So today I'm just gonna fly around the golf course today, and nothing really special, just kind of flying around and seeing what's going on. It's a pretty nice day out today. It's really windy and kind of looks like it's wanting to rain. It hasn't quite started raining yet, and so the wind's blowing quite a bit. It's pretty breezy, so I'm flying with the DJI Spark today because the DJI Spark is a little heavier and it's faster and it's better against the wind compared to the Mavic Mini. So, but anyway, that's what I'm flying today is the DJI Spark. And you can probably tell the difference. Anybody's ever looked at any of my videos, you can see the difference in the Spark and the Mini. In that, if you're flying in sport mode, the Spark tends to be kind of jerky, the way you can see it. You do because of its it only has a 2-axis gimbal compared to the Mini that has a 3-axis gimbal and it's a whole lot smoother. I kind of like to see it kind of jerking around like this because it looks like you're actually flying, looks like you're kind of doing something. Now if I'm just trying to take nice pictures and when I go to the mountains or something like that, then it's better to be nice and smooth because there's a lot of critics that'll look at it, all right, it's looks kind of shaky there, but I'm fine with that. It looks like I'm actually doing something. Anyway, I meant to go do Facebook Live with the Mini or the Spark today. I used to be able to do that. Apparently, you can't do that now, as far as I know. Gotta ask one of my good drone buddies, Adrian Mateo at Adrian Mateo Drones. I'll put a link in the description. Ask him and see if he knows anything about you not being able to do Facebook Live with the DJI Spark. So, and of course, if you have any questions or anything that you need to know about the Spark or any other drones, then yeah, that's a good resource to go check out. So that would be Adrian Mateo at Adrian Mateo Drones. So anyway, I just had to throw in a little plug there because he's been really, really good, really nice to me since I started doing these videos, and I appreciate that. Anyway, here I am, I'm just kind of flying around the golf course. Not a bad golf course for such a little town like Lemoore. It's not too bad. It's apparently it has everything a golf course is supposed to have. I wouldn't know. I don't play golf. I played golf before and I really sucked at it, and but I do like to be in an area with golf courses are usually nice areas. I like to look at the grass and things like that, and and every now and then you see a friend or a neighbor out there in the back and you wave at them or buzz them with the drone as he's trying to play. Anyway, so, but yeah, I, I'm just flying around. Let's see if I can't catch up with this guy here. I'm flying around at about 100 feet, and I think the maximum speed I've been able to go is 32 miles an hour, and that's in both directions. And I kind of surprised me that I was able to do that because the way the wind was blowing, I figured maybe I would go fast in one direction and not so fast in the next direction. But the Spark is a pretty nice drone, so it can do some things that would surprise you. So got a lot of the technology packed into the Spark that you would get in a bigger drone for less than half the price. So actually, I think I don't know. I'm not. The Spark might be a little more expensive now. I don't think DJI is still selling them. I don't think. I'm not sure. You have to check with that. I know the Mini is the big thing for those of us who are not, willing to spend over $1,000 for a drone. But anyway, that's my video, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.